Hello and welcome to Wake Up America. The Congressional Budget Office released its official score of the pending health care bill on Thursday. The projections fell precisely where the Democrats had hoped they would. The bill has a price tag of just $940 billion over 10 years. It covers 32 million additional Americans, bringing our national coverage to nearly 95%. It accomplishes all of its goals within the budget, and it does so while actually saving money. Over 10 years, the CBO projects $138 billion in deficit reductions. Over 20 years, the CBO projects nearly $1.3 trillion in deficit reductions. In the long run, passing this bill will save America roughly $130 billion per year, on average. Republicans and conservatives in the media have already attacked the projection and the scoring. While they're unwilling to call the CBO liars, they're happy to use the same ridiculous attacks against their counterparts in the political left. There are some things about this legislation that one could argue against, foremost among them being the insurance mandates, which will essentially funnel government money into private insurance companies via healthcare credits and vouchers. Another thing one could dislike is the fact that it doesn't go far enough. The bill has no public option, and it falls far short of the highly efficient single-payer systems used by every other nation in the developed world. It maintains and actually pays into the private monopolies of profit-driven insurance companies, but it is at the very least a step in the right direction. The fact is that America cannot compete if it cannot control healthcare costs. The Republicans want to stop junk lawsuits and give insurance companies more monopoly powers. That doesn't keep costs down. That simply hurts those whom the government is charged to represent. Our companies cannot continue to employ Americans if they cannot afford the gigantic costs of providing for them. Too many Americans have already been left behind, and thousands of Americans die every year simply because they don't have health coverage. The first step is always the hardest, but in this case, it is the most important. For more related news and topics, please tune in and log on every day at economyincrisis.org.
Wake up, America! Open up your eyes! Wake up, America! Wake up!